be the tormentor. But they say, come on, give us a break. We also can undergo the process. Suspend them at the maximum. But let's get on with life. Now, differing views on expelling students, almost a consensus on helpline vigilance. Let's go on to the third and the last solution which you gave last time, parent-student awareness program. For this, I will ask the bachelor man on the steps of hopefully marriage. President Chinmay, what's your point on this?
I think out of all these 3 points, this third point is the best point, because this will make the mind clear and will root out the base of the whole problem, so that all the parents and the students, they are aware of what are the effects of ragging, how it is bad, and once mentally they are clear, there won't be any problem in future.
If you think he did a nice job on convincing us, what do you have to do? If someone could throw more information on what parent-student awareness program means, okay, we'll give somebody else a chance. I'll come back to you. There are some people who have not spoken and have been an interested audience there. Sudha ma'am, you are a parent, and I want your opinion on this. At some point of time, you were this student. This point of time, you are other side of the slash. You are a parent now. What do you have to say about this?
So the program as such is good. The parent and student interaction and to know what's happening in the college, everything is there. But still, to solve the basic ragging, this will not solve the purpose. They'll come to know what's happening, and the parent may instruct the kids that you should not do that or you should not do this. But ultimately, it is the student who comes to and he may not hear. So he or she may not know what they do it, and the parents will also not come to know. Still, the ragging will continue. So I go with the first one. This is just an eye-washing. But just to come to know that awareness what is happening can be done. But it will not remove the root cause will not be removed.
A soft-spoken lady, but who means business, she says, that is trash, this is what will help. And last week, I was at Bowling Club, I saw a Toastmaster come along with a pretty daughter, that was Dr. Preetham, and there I thought an element of ragging may come into place. As a concern, you don't look like a father, but a father. What are the views of the third one?
I keep telling my daughter that just in case she goes through this process, that either she has to come tell us, or she has to come and tell her mother or the teacher. The student awareness also is a wonderful program where students are taught not to rag other fellow students. My wife is a teacher in a school where she's got instances of students ragging the other students to such an extent where parents come the next day morning and keep telling about how it all happened and how the morale of the students is gone up. But I think over a period of time, once some school authorities take action about these particular things, only then it will stop. If not, it will still continue. So I feel it should be a perfect coordination between the parent, student, and the school authorities.
So what's your point now? How shall we go about having a parent awareness program? Give me one example, one particular statement or point which will be added. Now, lots of people are not too happy with this, but one particular, maybe one sentence in the list of things which you think.
I think a direct relation to expelling or to not expelling exactly, to stringent action against the student who acts others. That's it.
Turn around, Mr. Preetham, turn around. Take a look at this man. Do you think anybody will rag his daughter? He jogs every day, does push-ups, is built strongly, hopes to become a cop in the near future. There is the thought. Give a round of applause, please. Dinesh.
Yes, sir.
You were a student at one point of time.
Yeah.
Did you indulge in ragging?
I was not ragged, so I never indulged in ragging.
What came first, the chicken or the egg?
It's said and done whether student awareness programs are required or not. Will it help? As I said it, as Madam said, it is going to be a mere eyewash whether a student awareness program is held or not. Whether such a program is going to be effective is something that we need to look at. Ideally, the situation would be a no, because if you're trying to tie down a person's hand, you'll find a way to break free. So therefore, such a measure to educate somebody who's already, whom are we trying to educate? We're trying to educate students who have knowledge, who have stepped into college. and have a sense of understanding as to what is happening on the world. They wish to be free and try to experiment on others and try to make friends, but in terms go beyond their limits. We're trying to tell them this is the limit. If somebody can tell them that's the limit and if somebody is going to listen to it, I would go with it. But I'm certain that if you're going to tie down somebody, explaining him the limits, he's going to break free and go further. So therefore, I don't believe student awareness programs are going to be helpful in time ahead. Vigilance would be a process that needs to be moderated. A helpline may help the people who are emotional and like to seek help in times of crisis. Expelling students would be an affirmative step. It would be expelling / suspending students would be a better choice.
He has covered all the points there. You give him a word, he take a sentence, but he made lots of sense here. Students with knowledge come to college, was what he had told. We have Jaishi ma'am who says, before that, could I ask this young gentleman here who is a student, who's not spoken at all, would you raise your hands, what do you have to say? It's you, my dear.
Being practically speaking, I've been through this ragging process because I was in first year and I was actually slapped by my senior. So the thing is, looking at the current scenario, I don't feel whenever I was like hearing people, it was only 1 point at a time. The thing is, these 3 points are not individual points. These 3 points can be taken as a steps, one by one. The first step can be as a, I say this with proof because these things have been implemented as steps in my hostel and it actually worked out pretty well. See, there are two kinds of people who actually want to know the juniors well and want to guide them, and there are other people who are totally out of control. So what happens, we start with the first, when the person enters the hostel or any college, the parent-student awareness program should begin, where the people should be given all the awareness about whatever the ragging, how bad it is. It will enter some people's head, it won't enter some people's head. Then we go to the first step, where the helpline thing begins. Helpline thing, whether it works out, because they will tell, in the awareness program, they will mention all these things about the problems that if this happens, the children will be strictly dealt and it will be done, they'll set an example for sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, the student who has himself undergone the process of torture, now we have still differing views. Everybody seems to agree on one thing. Some people want expel students, some people say this is good, some people trash this. Overall, we are left with the combination of many things. The point I want to make now is, pick up your pen, the slips will be distributed to all of you. Put in your vote for which you think is one best solution. Do not dilly-dally, do not have 3-4 opinions, have one single opinion. Put your vote, I have put as 1, 2, 3 and 4. You 4 came, I don't agree with anything. The 1 is, if you say yes to 1, put a tick here. Yes to 2, put a tick on 2. Yes to 3, put a tick on 3. The 4th one is, I don't agree to anything, put a tick on 4.
Mr. Kumar, I have one point to make. I think the solution to this ragging is not one point there, solving. It's a combination of the first point is to educate parents and students. Educate them on what is the impact of ragging, expelling students, what is action the college
If I can interrupt you, ma'am, for a minute.
Yeah.
Now, Jaishi ma'am says the solution is not one, the solution can be a possible of all the 3. All those who think the solution of all the 3, tick on 4. All of those who think the solution of all the 3, tick on 4.
Also educating on creating a helpline.
Yeah, it's 4. All, what I told before, 4 is not, don't agree. If you think the solution is a possible combination of all 3, tick on 4. And yeah, tick it on 4 and hand it over to Miss Sheetal.
Miss Sheetal.
As all your vote slips come, and still Sheetal, there's a counting, I think we just have to look at the final result. Before we do that, I think we'll hand over the master ceremonies and we'll come back and have the voting final. Is it okay with you, ma'am? Thank you for sparing your time. I have a